demonstrated above by directional deletion flow. Currently, go to OneDrive. Inside OneDrive, I have folder name as cell order. Same cell order folder is already created in OneDrive. Inside this cell order, I have two cell orders, is 21 and 22. In Odoo, I have also two folders inside cell orders. Now, I go to cell order 22. I select one file and remove it. Now I run this cron Odoo to OneDrive. I have removed file from cell order 22. In 2 we have two records. We run this cron in Odoo. As you can see, record is removed from OneDrive as well. Now I select this file and delete it from OneDrive. As you can see, cell order 22 is empty folder. Now I run this cron OneDrive to Odoo. As you can see, folder is empty. We can also verify with this. Folder is empty from here. Now also check with another one. Remove the file from Odoo. Select this and remove it. From 21 I have removed the file. We have one file in OneDrive. Run this cron Odoo to OneDrive. Refresh this page in OneDrive. As you can see, record is removed from OneDrive.